Welcome back to Channel 5 News. The date currently is 1972, July 2nd. Right now, we have live development of what people are calling the Nguyen Thai Binh hijacking. Um, the hijacking took place on a Pan Am airline. The airline was going from San Francisco all the way to Saigon, which is in Vietnam. This is their flight route. Because it's such a long trip, they had to take multiple refueling stops before their final destination. This is the hijacker. His name is Nguyen Thai Binh. He is 24 years old, and he is native to South Vietnam, but he was studying in America at the University of Washington. Um, During his studies, he would partake in activist groups and anti-war groups, and he was constantly at protests and riots. This is mainly due to the fact that the U.S. government was continuously bombing his homeland. Because of his efforts to stop the war, his visa was revoked, and he was sent back to Vietnam, which is where he decided he was going to hijack the plane that he was on. And right now we have Captain Vaughn, the captain of that airplane, and he wants to tell you what happened. I'm Captain Vaughn. I was a pilot of that aircraft. I was given a bloody note telling me to redirect the flight to Hanoi. First, I went to Nguyen. I tried to reason with him. He showed me that he had a knife in his hand and he had a tinfoil wrapped parcel, which was a bomb, he said. Um, it ended up being lemons, thank God. Um, but at the time, we didn't know that, so we were all worried. I told him that we had to stop and refuel at Saigon to make his destination where he wanted to go. So while we were stopped, I told an ex-cop that I knew had a weapon on him in the plane to be ready if anything happens. I went to talk with him and I tricked him into lowering his guard down, which is when I assaulted him. I slammed on the ground, held his throat so he couldn't move, and I called the cop, and the cop shot him 5 times. After that, I threw his body with the help of the cop off the airplane. This was kind of a signal, to show that we're done. We're done with messing around. We know how many people tried to hijack our aircrafts, together, and pilots are just sick of it, and we're not going to take it anymore. We're going to take a stand. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk about. There you have it. That's a tragic story of Nguyen Thai Binh. Thank you for watching. See you guys next.